What everyone needs to know about lead generation. When you are in sales, making it big isn't easy. You have to focus on each facet of your job, starting with lead generation. Want to use this technique to better your business? The tips and tricks in this video will give you the power to optimize your lead generation. Try direct mail as a lead generation tactic. Many people think that direct mail has gone the way of the dinosaur, but it's not true. In fact, it may be very powerful for your market as a lot of competitors shy away from it as a strategy. You may find a lot of business opportunity here. Always think about consumer buying cycles. First an offer is considered, then information is searched for, and then a decision is made. If you are able to build both content and offers around this decision cycle, then you are able to guide them to spending money with you personally. See if you can sponsor local events in any way. Maybe you can buy uniforms for a little league team, or have a banner at a church garage sale. If so, be sure to show up at the event yourself so you can shake hands and get face time with potential leads. Find some way to rate your potential leads. Not all leads are created equal, so before you start generating them, know how you'll grade them. Otherwise, you can find yourself overloaded with potential leads with no way to decipher which ones are worth your time. It's a critical step to help you be efficient. Check out events in your area and see if there's a way you can use them to generate leads. For example, if there is a cycling race, buy a sponsorship package. Then you can get yourself on TV talking about it, or in the paper, or just talk to people who are there to watch. Building content on your site sure does take time. If you get frustrated and forget to do this often, then nothing is going to really work for you. Keep up with posting new content, and interesting content is going to attract people. Always make sure you never put this strategy to the side. Now that you know so much about lead generation, the next step is to go out and do what you can with your new techniques. Start bringing in more sales and more profits. In the end, the time you took to watch this video will bring you great success. Student loan.